This is my boy's srt4. He's an asshole. He just got it fixed. He got the bumper done, everything done, carbon fiber hood. Alright. Tinted front windows. And carbon fiber trunk. He's still a dick. Alright guys, I'm going to show you my bike. My Ninja 250 that I just got. It's red and black. Limited edition. I'm going to put it outside so y'all can see it better. Hold on. This is my new 250, black and red. Has a gixxer exhaust from a 2009. Sounds really good. Haven't done no modifications, just basically cut the back. Haven't changed it yet. I'm gonna put integrated tail lights. Let me give you a little glimpse of how the sound, the new muffler sounds. Pretty loud. Nothing else. It's a regular Ninja 250. I'm gonna change the tires, upgrade them, put some HIDs, and nothing more. And change the gauges. Besides that, this is my 250. I hope y'all like it. Any questions, just freely to leave a message on YouTube, and I'll respond back. And the MSRP on these bikes are running for $53 out the dealer. And they're really strong. They're pretty good bikes. I already punched mine to 115 miles an hour, and it reaches about 120 with no problem. And that's just the 250. And it's a good rider and a good beginner bike. And for all you guys that are trying to get a bike to learn, it's a great bike. If you don't want to kill yourself, be like everybody else, get yourself a 250. Alright? Alright, thanks for watching this video.